Hi everyone, this is Andrea. So today I am back for another unboxing video. But this time, this isn't a luxury brand. This is just a designer brand. But nevertheless, I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys. So, ready? This is how the box looks like. I know, looks can be deceiving. This is a big box, but just wait up until I will open this one for you. So I actually ordered this one quite a while now, so I must admit I've actually opened this one already. So let's just open the box anyway. Ta-da! So as you can see, there's just a pop-up color, yellow pop-up color with the Suffragist logo on it. There's just a little bit of tissue paper as expected. That's the actual box right there. Hide it because I know it's tiny. This is what the box looks like, really small, tiny, and I actually ordered this one from the brand called Longchamp, and Longchamp is a French brand. So can you guess what I got? Anyway, I love the box. It's in green color, just so unique and sleek. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, ta-da! So I've got, the first one that I've got in here is this receipt from Suffragist. And it just says at the back, the delivery note, which I don't really need because I will keep this anyway. So this is the packaging. I really love it because there's a tissue paper that you can flip open, and it's just giving me the Chanel vibe. Are you ready? See, this sound I like. Ta-da! Look at that. How adorable is that? This is what I've got, a Microbag from Longchamp. This is the Pliage Microbag. This is actually a miniature version of the tote, iconic Pliage tote, the bigger version, and it's actually the Microbag version. So let me just show it to you guys. So first things first, I've got a care card right here in green color as well. And I've got some few tags that I've actually already removed because I've actually opened this one already a while ago now, and it just says, really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't return me. I know, I'm not gonna return it anyway. And this is from Suffragist, and yeah, it just says Le Pliage. And I got this one for 165 pounds. So yeah, that's just the tag right there that says the price on, the name of the bag. So moving on to the Microbag itself. Ready? Oh my god, you guys, look at that. How cute is that? This is a Le Pliage Microbag from Longchamp in fuchsia color. So just a little bit of description about this handbag. It has got top handle, two top handle with one button opening and one top zip opening. It is in a croc embossed leather, and it is in silver hardware. And at the back, it has got this D-ring that you can actually use this as a bag charm, as a belt bag, or if you are brave enough, you can actually use this one as a necklace. I really love it. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It's just giving me that leather scent that I really love. And yeah, I can't wait to rock this baby right here this coming spring and summer. And to top it all, it includes this really nice and cute, handy, what you call this one, wristlet. And you can just actually attach this one right at the back of the D-ring, and then if you carry it like that, it looks so funny. So what I'm gonna do is hook it under or over the top handle, and there you are. I'm good to go. I can use this one for my daily essentials. It can fit quite a bit, like a lipstick, sanitizer, keys, compact powder, a lipstick, and maybe a face mask. So there you are, you guys. I really love it, and I can't wait to use this one. It is so cute. Yeah, thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you all on my next. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye. Mwah.